I now introduce your student speaker, Amma Adomaa-Fordjour. Who, besides being the star of commencement, has earned a Bachelor of Science degree in chemistry and biology. Amma served as the vice president of the university's student governing body, the Associated Students of the University of Redlands, as the president of the university's African American Student Union called Brilliant Leaders Advocating Color Consciousness, as well as the president of the Chemistry Club. She has also been involved in organizations such as Champs and Spurs and is a Prudian Honors Scholar. Amma is also a graphic and musical artist and has been recognized for her work by celebrities such as Erykah Badu, Big Sean, and Cardi B. Having parents who are natives of Ghana, Amma has always been passionate about her culture and chose to study abroad in Ghana during her junior year. While she was there, she developed a friendship with the principal of a school that serves underprivileged students in Accra and created a GoFundMe site to raise money to help build a better school for those students. Please join me in welcoming Amma to the podium today.
My parents come from a place where there is no light. My parents come from a place where there is no light. I do not mean light fixtures, I mean bright futures. They lack production, but they do not lack producers. We were brought here because rumor was and rumor is that college is bliss and college is this and college is that, so I went to college and I found my habitat. I found my home. My parents come from a place where dreams remain dreams and ideas are invalidated. Though motivated, they are often frustrated because the lack of materials that come in are often donated. I located the importance of education while being on this campus. I'm dancing with happiness because we have unlimited chances to succeed and chances to achieve all that we want at our speed. Godspeed. I'm ecstatic. These last 4 years have been dramatic. I've lost my breath so many times you would have thought I was asthmatic. So climatic to walk on this campus in 2014 with our minds overwhelmed and our dreams in our hands. I have some plans. How many of you all can relate? Grab our diplomas, graduate, and hope that we too can be great. The amount of weight our diplomas carry compared to the rest of the world is more than we can even fathom. Imagine my enthusiasm when I saw 2018 arrive. I started gasping because time's passing. We're adults now, but I don't really feel it. And we are still healing. And it's getting so surreal, but here's the deal. Not everyone likes the cards that they are dealt with, so be your own dealer. Sometimes just be selfish, and let's agree to all be a light in this world and shine somebody's light and inspire little girls and aim to be king and aim to change things and reach for the moon like we're jumping on springs. Here's to the nights in the lib. Here's to the drinks in the cafe. Here's to the sweet ladies in the commons that made our day every day. Here's to our professors, although you were our stressors. Although you kept us up for so long, we don't resent you. Here's to the sacrifices our loved ones made, the debts they paid, and all that wage. just to see us walk this stage and experience today. I'm so in love with the idea of a future where everyone in my graduating class is shining their light. I'm so in love with the word future itself, because in it I see wealth, not monetary wealth, but wealth that's based on sharing and based on caring and based on something and based on trusting. I think we're tasting the first bite of our reality. A casualty would be to live our lives in stagnancy. Magically, we have made it to this day to celebrate that we are worthy and confirm that we are great. It is our fate to keep going and keep growing and keep showing what we're really made of. This. We are movers, we are chasers, we are givers, we are takers, we are forces that cannot be reckoned with. You'll second this. I'm sorry, Mom and Dad, if I didn't call you guys enough. I was too nervous to tell you that school was getting tough and I was seeing stuff that I never thought I'd see. And I was losing sleep so I could secure this degree. I know you're proud of me. Our parents are proud of us. Our guardians, our loved ones were there when it was rough to them. We are more than enough. Isn't it fascinating? The people we dated, the times we spent so doubtful and so frustrated, all the friends that related, it has all been negated and all equated to us finally reaching the finish line. In due time, we will see our light shine. We will see the whole 9 yards. It's in our stars to succeed. We may not see it yet, but it's in our stars that we lead a different group, lead a different troop of young minds to let them know that they too can be in this exact place. They too have lights. My parents come from a place where children have to think about their next meal before they have a chance to think about their education. Across the nation, we are so blessed to be in this position. It's our mission to envision and add our own additions and place our own omissions on whatever is wrong and keep what belongs and keep getting strong and live our lives long. The memories I have made here are forever engraved in my mind. I leave behind all the fears and second guessing and stressing. You are just progressing and moving forward and moving towards what's truly yours and what we deserve. Who has the nerve to take away this moment from us? We hold these truths to be self-evident that all men are created equal, but all men, women, he, him, his, she, her, hers, they, them, theirs, non-gender conforming and non-gender identifying people are not given equal opportunity. Immunity. I'm allergic to any form of discrimination or anything that's stopping the youth from getting an education. Make some donations, advocate for a cause, change a neighborhood, find a gain in every loss, be your own boss. Buy your own house, take care of your parents, marry your dream spouse. Find the purpose in your life and help others find theirs, because not everyone gets a chance to dream like us. I might sound very repetitive, or maybe every word I have said has reached a different part of your heart, mind, or spirit. I hear it. If they are against us, we won't fear it or fear them. We are built so uniquely. I will teach you something if you promise that you'll teach me. Everyone has reached me. Look at our connections. Walking into class, I saw friends in each and every direction. Thankful for the lessons. It's truly been a blessing. Walking on the quad and seeing life, so refreshing. Graduation in itself is not an end goal. It's a journey of life. It's another book on the shelf. Whatever it it is, wherever it is, wherever you go, whatever you do, as long as it's for you, you will find it. We are flights that are anxious to be flying. We are lights that are anxious to be shining. It's all aligning. Our stars said that we're ready, so we must be ready. Even if we ourselves don't believe we are steady, we still are ready. My parents come from a place where people will only ever dream of being in the exact position that we are in. Please, if there's one thing that you take away from this, it is that we are so blessed to be in these bodies, living in this exact moment. Take advantage of each and every opportunity that comes your way, whether you're a light shining or whether you believe that you have found your light. You'll eventually find the switch that turns your light on. Thank you, and congratulations to Class of 2018. We are brilliant.